Critical Thinking by Kelly Crabb. This is Jacob. He thinks a lot about the world around him and he wants to know why and how things work. Jacob is a critical thinker. What is a critical thinker? A critical thinker is somebody who thinks about everything. Some of the best critical thinkers invented the phone, airplanes, cars, and more. Critical thinkers help others make the world a better place and understand how people feel or think. Jacob is asking how you feel. Jacob is asking if you are okay. Jacob is telling us that he can help you. He is a great critical thinker because he is thinking of others. Good thinkers ask questions like who, what, when, where, and how. Who? Who made this? Who is the character in the story? Who is the mouse going to draw on his paper with that green crayon? What? What is the problem? What is happening in the story? What is Miss Nelson feeling? In the story Miss Nelson is missing, we see that there is a bunch of children causing ruckus. Because of that, I'm looking at Miss Nelson's face and I see that maybe she's frustrated or flustered. I wonder what Miss Nelson will do to change her feelings. Where? Where is the setting of the story? Where does your blood go in your body? Where is Pout Pout Fish? And where does he need to go? In the story, Pout Pout Fish goes to school. Pout Pout does not know where he needs to go. He does not know where he belongs. He needs to figure out where to go. And a good critical thinker will ask, what is next? When? When is the story set? When will they solve the problem? When will her stripes disappear? When did people drive cars? In the story, the bad case of the stripes, the little girl has stripes because she doesn't like her lima beans. Good critical thinkers are going to be asking, what is her problem? How can I solve her problem? And when are those stripes going to disappear? Why? Why is the brain the most important part of your body? Why is blood blue? Why are you upset? Jacob is showing us how. He's trying to look at how he can go to a website to look for research. Jacob wants to know more, and so he needs to ask for help. Good critical thinkers are very capable of asking for help. As a good critical thinker, you need to first check the facts. Ask yourself, is it true? Some facts that you find on the internet are not always true, so you need to look at different places to see if it is in fact true. Jacob is looking online to see if lizards are reptiles, and yes, he came up with the conclusion that they are. I wonder if he can look at other websites to see if he is in fact right. You need to check your understanding. Do you know what you read or heard? If you don't know what you read or heard, I would say read it again or ask a question. It's okay to make mistakes. We all do. The point of doing critical thinking is to make mistakes and try to persevere and fix them. We should not get frustrated when we are trying to critically think. A critical thinker is always capable of fixing their mistakes and understanding why they made that mistake. If you need help answering your questions, you can check a computer by researching different websites around you or applications on a tablet. You can check books or ask lots of people. Lots of different people will give you different answers so that you can check your understanding and check the facts. In order to use technology, you can use that to research a question. How are frogs able to jump? That could be a question that you could research. You could check on projects like how do I build a building? What things do I need? And you can invent your own cars, airplanes, or iPhones just by using technology successfully. If you ever need help, always ask an adult. Critical thinking are friends who ask questions. They think about others and they want the world to be a better place. For those critical thinkers, they never stop asking questions, and that is a fantastic thing. Thanks for watching. Credits go out to Jacob and his mother for helping me with this project.